today we're going to be talking about top 5 software testing conferences that you must attend in 2025. By attending these conferences, you get access to cutting-edge technologies, real-world case studies, and practical workshops that can directly impact your work. Plus, there's no better way to network with industry leaders and learn from experts who have been in the field for years. So let's just get started. First up, we have one of the world's largest free and online software testing conferences, from automation best practices to mobile testing innovations, from AI-driven quality strategies to the future of testing itself. TestMu 2025 has it all. Get ready to learn and engage with 80+ industry experts across 60+ power-packed sessions, hands-on workshops, and cutting-edge insights, all designed to supercharge your skills and thinking. With over 50,000 testers, developers, and community leaders joining from around the globe, this is more than just a conference. It's your chance to network with the best in the industry, win exciting prizes, and shape your testing roadmap for the future. So register now to join the conference starting from 19th to 21st of August. Ready to dive deep into the world of testing? StarWest and StarEast 2025 are for you. With 75+ expert-led sessions, these conferences bring together top industry leaders to share the latest testing methodologies, tools, and trends. And it's an opportunity that's incredible for you to participate in immersive workshops and hands-on sessions, helping you develop skills that will make a real difference in your testing strategies. At number 3 is EuroSTAR, which is Europe's largest and most influential software testing conferences. And for good reason. Expect over 60 cutting-edge sessions on everything from emerging trend methodologies to innovative automation tools. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, EuroSTAR is the perfect place to get hands-on knowledge and explore what's next in the world of testing. If you're looking to get a global perspective on testing, EuroSTAR is unmissable. TestBash 2025 stands apart as a conference built on a year of community research. Unlike events chasing trends, its themes, sessions, and speakers emerge from genuine conversations with software testing professionals. Attendees experience more than just sessions. They experience and engage with content shaped by the community for the community. HUSTEF ranks among Europe's top 3 conferences for software testing and quality professionals. Founded in 2011, it provides an annual platform where leaders in software and IT R&D share cutting-edge industry developments, drawing over 750 attendees globally. This conference is a must-attend for testing professionals seeking authentic knowledge exchange and networking opportunities. So this was all about the video today. If you're ready to take your testing game to the next level, make sure to mark these on your calendar. The links to all of these conferences have been added to the description below. Make sure to check them out and subscribe to our channel for more. Happy testing!